Hey, if you have a YouTube channel or you are planning to have one, be careful. Don't play with this. Verify your AdSense account. I will show you how to verify your AdSense account without PIN code. Period. What's up, yo? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the YouTube channel, please subscribe. I post a new video every week about YouTube, about travel vlog, story, and everything. If this is the type of video you are looking for, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn notification bell on. Guys, verifying your AdSense account is extremely very important. After creating your YouTube channel, yes, you must jump to verify your AdSense account. For example, if you hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, automatically YouTube will send you a notification to verify your AdSense account. Don't play with that. Verify your AdSense account. If you didn't receive your PIN card or you have a problem with your PIN card, I will show you how to verify your AdSense account without a PIN card, because I verified my AdSense account previous 2 months ago, you know what I'm saying, without PIN card. And I will show you step by step how to do that. I will break it down the way it's popping, yo. I'm not here to tell a joke, or I'm not here joking. I'm serious. For those who don't know what is AdSense, AdSense is a YouTube product to receive your YouTube earning or the money you earn on YouTube through AdSense. You know what I'm saying? So that's why AdSense is very important. If you didn't verify your AdSense account, you will never gonna get the money you earn on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? YouTube will stop showing hits on your videos. If you don't know about PIN code is a personal identification number. If you verify these two particular steps, you are on your way to receive the money you earn on YouTube. Okay, here are the steps to verify your AdSense account. Real quick, very easy, simple. You know what I'm saying? When your earning reach the verification threshold, which is $10 on YouTube, YouTube will mail you a personal identification number to verify your AdSense account. It's usually take 2 to 4 weeks to receive your PIN code, but it will take longer depending on your location. When you receive your PIN, enter it to verify your AdSense. Note, you will only have 4 months from the date your PIN is generated to enter it into your account. If you haven't entered your PIN code in 4 months, YouTube will stop showing it, which means you are not going to earn money on YouTube. That's why verifying your AdSense account is very important. You know what I'm saying? Note, you request your PIN code after 3 weeks from within the date. Within 4 months, your PIN code is generated. So if you still have a problem of receiving your PIN code or your PIN code didn't arrive, YouTube will automatically, after 4 months, YouTube will send you a notification of verifying your PIN code. So YouTube will give you all the options to verify your PIN code, others by your passport or your ID, depending on your country. You know what I'm saying? The form will be like this, so fill that form and send it. You know what I'm saying? Then after 30 minutes or after 30 minutes or after 1 hour, if you fill your form correctly, you will verify your PIN code. Don't worry about it. If you don't receive your PIN code or whatever, don't worry about it. You will still verify your AdSense account. That's all for today, guys. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions. See you guys on next video.